Once you have installed the Motion-Till Live View extension, you can easily import items and folders. To do this, simply right-click or use the buttons located in the bottom right corner of the panel. By clicking on this option, you will be able to import various types of assets, including effects presets, projects, footage, and scripts. We have prepared a selection of samples to demonstrate how you can utilize them effectively. Let's begin the effects presets. We will select the effects presets file indicated as .ffx to import into the Motion-Till Live View extension. As you can see, there is an MP4 file with the same name. I will go ahead and open the file now. Once open it, it will be displayed within the Motion-Till Live View extension. If you hover over the video, you will notice a preview of the MP4 allowing you to see the effect in action. Now, I'm excited to open a composition featuring a text layer to explore how the FFX file applies. As you can see, the process is remarkably quick and efficient. The best part is that you can easily do this again and again, making it a seamless experience. Let's take a look at the scripts. First, simply import the script into the Motion-Till Live View extension. You will notice that running scripts in this way is significantly faster than the traditional method. Enjoy the enhanced efficiency and speed. When you import an AEP or AET file into the Live View extension, it seamlessly integrates into the Motion-Till Live View. This means you don't have to worry about importing the file until you truly need it. Simply click on the item in the Motion-Till Live View and it will automatically import an instance for you to use. Enjoy the convenience and efficiency this feature brings to your workflow. Once you have completed the import, feel free to enhance your item by adding picture and video preview. Simply right-click on the item and select the option to set your desired video or image. This will give your content a vibrant, visually appealing touch. To import footage into Motion-Till Live View, simply follow the same process as before. Once the footage is imported, you can easily access it in the project panel and seamlessly integrate into the active composition you are working on it at that moment. You can enhance your experience in Motion-Till Live View by adding a video and picture preview to every item and folder. As you can see, this video preview includes sound. If you prefer a quieter experience, simply click the button below to easily disable the sound. The final type of importable item is the list.liveview file, a delightful creation that comes with the specific extension. Alternatively, you can utilize the Motion-Till Live View package creator script, which beautifully compiles multiple compositions from your project into a single package. Simply select the list.liveview file and voila! A vibrant package filled with numerous items and previews will be seamlessly imported for you to enjoy. Don't forget, LiveView is completely free. Use it to enhance your projects, streamline your workflow, and sell your item without any cost. Thanks for tuning in and goodbye.